So now I'm going to break down for you some examples specifically on how you can utilize this criteria to help you craft your solution to that one single problem you've identified. Let's talk about the behavior one. Say the current behavior for a customer is knows it's impossible to sell somebody if they never see what you offer, yet still doesn't actively try to generate traffic. So in internet marketing, we see this very often. Our customers know they need to generate traffic consistently if they're going to make money. They know this to be a fact, yet no matter the case, they still don't actively day in and day out try to generate traffic. So to me, once I observe that behavior, that limiting behavior, if I can slightly alter that in my solution, that can be incredibly powerful on how I'm going to put and organize and deliver the content for my product. So here's the altered behavior. We would set up a system where they can easily, in a few minutes a day, consistently bring in traffic, even if it's a small amount of traffic. So with that thinking, let's say the big problem that we notice is people can't generate traffic to their offers, no matter what they try. It seems too risky, it takes too long, et cetera, et cetera. That's the single specific problem we identified. Then we say, well, a consideration on how I could solve this would be, I realize their behavior limits to this way, so by slightly altering their behavior, that might be a good solution. And so I say, okay, if I can alter behavior by having them do something just a few minutes a day to bring in traffic, well, maybe I got something there. So then we create the headline for the product before we ever create the product. Traffic in 5 minutes per morning, what you can do while drinking your coffee that can produce 50, 100 or more visitors per day. So these, of course, are all hypothetical examples here, but I'm walking you through the thought process of we've identified a problem, and then we considered as part of the solution an approach, and then this is how we crafted the headline for the potential solution. By the way, I'm a big believer in these 1-1-1 products of writing the headline always before ever creating the product, because now we're dictating specifically what the parameters are for us to make a solution. We presuppose that we can make the solution, and then we work towards it, and we're much more likely to create an impactful, valuable offer or product to the customer at the end of the day. So that's using behavior as the primary consideration for solving the problem.